Hello everybody, this is Saturday, January the 10th, and we got our Arctic blast. It's supposed to be 35 below zero wind chill, so I am hoping not to go anywhere this weekend. I do kind of need to go to Walmart, but I don't feel like doing it today. I'm gonna see about maybe if I got to do it maybe tomorrow. So I have a new item. I thought maybe I don't do a lot on my laptop. I have an HP laptop. I've had it, actually no, that's my old laptop. I have a, how do you say it, I don't know how you say that word, but I have one of those. It's not an HP. I used to have an HP. Well, anyway, I was wondering if this would help me with any of my videos. I got a Brio 300 webcam. I have never used a webcam in my life. On my computer or like this. I have no idea how it works. I don't even know where you go to turn it on your laptop. But I got a good deal with this on Amazon, and I was gonna see if I could get this going and see if it would help with my videos. So I'm on my phone pretty much 99% of the time. I'm hardly ever on my laptop at all. So there is a friend of mine that gave me her access to Ancestry.com, and along with that comes newspaper.com. That is the coolest site. You can look at all these old and past newspapers, and I need to get on there today and check it out because I told her I'd pay half with her to belong on that site because it's not cheap. This is how it is in the box. So I have no idea how this works. I don't know anything about it. Oh yeah, there's instructions. Good. So let's see. This is what it looks like. I guess you plug it into your computer, I guess. It's got a USB-C. Okay, gotta take the sticky stuff off. Wonder how it sticks on your, looks like magnets. Somehow it sticks on there. I'm not sure. It's all new to me. I have no clue. So let's see. Oh, they're so tiny. Can you read that? I can't. I don't even think this is instructions. This is a safety thing. No instructions. Well, I guess I can look on YouTube and see how to do it. Nothing. Nothing at all. Well, no. 1 year warranty. Oh, wait a minute. It's on the box. Oops. Well, I tore off part of the box. That's nice. There's part of them. Okay, I guess I'll have to. It says something about USB-C. Kind of shows how it goes on to the computer. You go to logitech.com/tune. Well, so much for those. I do know from looking on YouTube that, you know how they always say to cover up that little hole on your laptop or monitor because people can spy on you? Well, this has a little thing that you just shut off. You turn like this and nobody can spy on you. So I have no clue. This is all Greek to me, so I might mess with it here in a little bit. But I just wanted to tell you what I got, and then if I get it hooked up, I'll do a video. I've never done a video on the computer, on the laptop. I've always done it on my phone, so I don't know how you get it from there to YouTube. I have no idea. We will see. I've not even taken one on my iPad. So, I don't know. Maybe I won't get into this today. I don't know. I want to spend a lot of time diamond dotting. I have a, what's my last, well, let me just show you. This is my ring, the one I just did a unboxing of. I'm not sure, it's like something like Rainbow Bridge or something. And this is my last one, but I had run out of diamonds. Actually, it's on the very bottom. I don't want to unroll the whole thing. But I ran out of diamonds, and I contacted customer service, and they sent me some more. So I have that to do today. But I think I really want to get going on my diamond dotting. I have been cleaning the house, washing blankets, dishes. I'm letting my water run in my sink. It's snowing right now, and yeah, it's going to be one of those cold, crappy days you just want to stay in. Chiefs game tonight. Yay. Some people say it's going to be on TV. Some people say you have to have the Peacock app. I don't know which way it is, but I'll check it out tonight, see if it is on TV. So that's all I have. I have a hair color on Wednesday. As you can see, it's super brown, super short still. I can still barely curl the sides. So I need to talk to her about that, and I want it lighter, definitely. And that's all I have going on this week. Martin Luther King Day is Monday. No mail, no banks open. We work. We go to a clinic that day. And we'll see how the temperatures are, whether we have patients. You know, we didn't have patients Tuesday and Wednesday. We had patients Thursdays, a few. And Friday, of course, we don't have any patients on Fridays. So that's really basically all I have. I'll probably try to undo my car tomorrow. And again, I'm not sure if I'm going to go to Walmart. I have to see if my battery starts. It barely started yesterday morning, so we'll see what it does tomorrow. Well, thanks for looking at the unboxing of my webcam, which I know nothing about. So I think I'm going to take a break here and get going on some diamond dotting. I heard my washer go off, so my blankets are done. So nope, it didn't. False alarm. I can still hear it. All right, guys, hunker down if you got some bad weather like I do. Yeah, not much you can do. Kind of like in the summer when it's so hot you can't go outside. I'd rather be hot than cold. Definitely. I hate to see what my gas bill's gonna be. But yes, I love summer. I love warm weather. I like being outside. So, yeah, I do have a selfie stick coming. Since I can't find mine, my new one, this is my old one. I did order a selfie stick. That's supposed to be in on Monday. I did order a pair of jeans on the buckle, supposed to be in Monday, which are a size smaller. I'm still not doing so whoopee on my diet. I'm doing better. But it's been too cold in here. I don't even want to walk on the treadmill. I've kind of been walking in place. It's better than nothing. And then I have a pair of Nike shoes coming, but it says it's not supposed to be here till the 31st. That seems like a long time. They've already shipped. And oh, I did order a Nike jacket, which is shipped, and I ordered three t-shirts from a place called teepublic.com. T-E-E. Pretty cool retro t-shirts. I love t-shirts. So I got a book that's going on. I'm kind of reading. I'm not really into it. That's my washing machine doing that, making that noise in my sink. What else? Oh, I was supposed to take my friend to a appointment out of town yesterday, canceled it because of weather. It's rescheduled this coming Friday, but I don't know if we're still gonna go. It's still not gonna be the greatest weather. I think it's supposed to snow again. So I don't know about that. So I do have a Stitch Fix that I got yesterday that I have a video yet to put up. and I'll get that going for you. So that's all I have. So off to diamond dotting. See you guys later.